Hi all, welcome back to my channel DBA Talks with Tabassum. So today we are learning one of the fundamental questions. What is SQL Server Database and how to create SQL Server Database? So let's get started. A database is a structured way to store, manage and retrieve your data. Think of a database as a digital filing system where everything has its own place and nothing gets lost unless you forget to take the backup of it. For example, a business can use database to store customer orders, protect inventory, sales order, and more that can be stored in tables and can be searched via SQL structure query language. Now, let's talk about how SQL Server stores data and what exactly run behind the scenes. So, there are three files. First, NDF file, the primary data file. So, all your actual data lives here like tables, indexes, and views. So think of it as a heart of SQL Server database. So second is the LDF file, which is also called transaction log file. It tracks record of everything. Suppose you insert a row, LDF file will record it. Suppose you delete a row, LDF file will again record it. So this transaction log file is used for the recovery purpose in case anything disaster or you want to restore. So think of transaction log file as a coworker who writes everything in every minute, just in case it requires. So third is the NDF file, which is also called secondary data file, and it is optional. So suppose your main file is full, you can add multiple NDF files across the drives. So think of it like adding an extra drawer when your desk is full. So I hope you understand what is SQL Server Database. Now let's create your first database.
So connect to SQL Server via SSMS. Right click database and click on new database. A window will get open. Let me expand the window for you so you can see what all options are there. You can see database name, owner of the database. Let me give the database name as DemoDB1. See, two files have been created, MDF and LDF. See, there is also an option of add where you can add multiple files. Initial size is 8 MB and by 64 MB it will get increased. You can increase in percent as well as in MBs. You can also set the limitation of the file. By default it is unlimited. Then you can see other options. There is also recovery mode. By default it is full. Compatibility it is SQL 2025. And see, there are many other options as well. There is also file group. Click simply OK. See, our database have been created. If you expand the database, you can see there is table options, views option. There is also store procedure, triggers, functions. You can create all these things. Security, if you'll see, you can create a user, give access to the database. Also there are roles as well. Now you can also create database via query window. Simply type create database, database name, and click on execute. Now if you refresh the database, you can see a new database has been created. See, a by default template has been already created in model database and same has been applied to the new database. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up, do subscribe and do comment below if you want to know the database related options in detail. Thank you for watching.